Hello, trading has closed on August the 2nd, 2021. Let's start with our disclaimer. It's my trading plan for Tuesday, August the 3rd, 2021. I can be completely wrong and all trades should be at your own risk. We had a target that actually printed Friday. I just missed it, and thanks to the person who pointed it out. So we'll cross 43.97.95 off the list. We have a new target from today's patterns, 44.03.71. I think it might not work, but that's what the system says. As far as the day's pattern, look for the pattern with the early high. There it is. Tomorrow also has the early high. We said the pattern was negative. One more leg up couldn't be ruled out. Wouldn't expect it to go too far nor last too long. And there should be a reversal if the interpretation of the pattern was correct. That's actually what happened. I have to admit, during the day, it kind of faked me out a little bit. When you gap up like this, you usually get more follow-through. And when the normally bullish pattern fails, you get a straight line drop like this. Usually it's even more aggressive than that, but still, when this normally bullish pattern is negative, typically it leads to more weakness. When you undercut significantly this FOMC price and you've gone 27 handles over it, typically you go at least 27 handles under it, and that should give us another 20 points of downside, even though we have a higher MEJT target, 44.03.71. During the day, MEJT gave an ultimate buy signal. We got enough to satisfy it. We almost always get more at some point, but you don't have to. Here was a buy signal in the afternoon. Target's a higher price. Here it is. That hasn't printed yet. Well, all in all, this is pretty negative action, but could all change by tomorrow because of the higher target. But other than some early surprises tomorrow, we should get lower prices, at least 20 handles lower than we are now, but it doesn't have to come in a day. Tomorrow's pattern has the early high. We could still get down. Today's normally bullish pattern wasn't. Usually this leads to more weakness. In addition, the high of day was in the first 5-minute bar, the low of day in the last. It's a very weak pattern. There's a higher target, offers a bull hope for higher prices printing. The risk of failure increases near significant changes in trend. Those conflict, so I'll use our mixed signal rule. I'm negative about this, but there is a wall into the close. So you have to be aware, if we gap up over significant levels, this could be reversed pretty quickly. But that doesn't happen. We don't gap up smartly. That should be on here someplace, my rules. I don't know where they disappeared to. I'll have to type it up again. But if you ever gap up smartly, that kills the call before the open. So we'll just have to remember that. And that is today's call.